Hello guys, welcome to part 2, and here we're gonna test drive this beast. Let's get started. The battery is fully charged. All these 3 LEDs are green now and they're not flashing, so that means they're charged. I'm going to unplug it and we're gonna remove it from the charger. Okay, set this aside. Let's turn this off. Now let's connect the battery. First we're gonna put it in place here like that, and then we're going to connect the black to black, red to red. Make sure it's off. Okay. So it's connected, and then we're gonna lay the cables and strap it down like this. Like this, and then we'll strap this one like this. Alright, so everything is connected. So here we have the car, here we have the remote. Now, so it says connect the ECS motor, receiver, battery, and servo according. Okay, we're reading right here. The colors on this schematic and this doesn't match. It says blue wire, there's no blue wire. It said black wire, they're all black. There's a red wire, there's no red wire at all. And there's a yellow here and a red, but there's a blue here, so it doesn't really match at all. It doesn't make any sense. Anyways, so I'll turn on this. The light came on. So the remote is working, right? It doesn't do anything. Now I'm going to put it closer here, like this. Alright, so let's turn it on. I'm just gonna move this switch. Alright, so we got LED lights in the front. There you go. And we have 2 LEDs at the back, red, you can see right there. Alright, the fan is spinning, is making noise. I'm gonna take the remote right here. This is solid red, and this light right here is solid red as well. I don't know if you can see it. There, it's red, it's not flashing. So they're connected together. I'm gonna press the bind. This will connect this transmitter with that receiver. So if I hold it down, they'll both flash, and then they're connected now. So let's see if the wheels will turn. Alright, so here the wheels are turning. When I turn this little on the transmitter, they turn. Alright, now for channel 1 I can reverse. So if I move my hand forward, the wheels turn right. So if I put this channel 1 to reverse, when I turn forward, they will turn the opposite way. So this is all working. Now there's a button here to adjust the wheels if they're not straight, so it's working as well. Alright, now everything else doesn't really work. So the wheels are turning. Now if I press accelerate, it should accelerate, but it doesn't do anything. The car is not driving. The car is not driving at all. But the wheels are turning perfectly if you look at it. But it's not doing anything. and the button, this is on, the wheels are turning, but they're not, the car is not running at all. We'll have to contact Banggood and find out, see what they say, what ideas they have in order how to troubleshoot and find what's the problem. Alright guys, so this is very sad. The car is not driving, and the steering wheel is working, the transmitter is working, the receiver is working, the fan is spinning. It's very disappointing. It's basically dead on arrival. And so we emailed Banggood a couple times, and we showed them this video. We showed them what could possibly be the problem, the electronic speed controller, and they emailed us back within a week, and they told us if we could pay $30. Here I have an email confirmation so you guys can see. They wanted to pay $30 and they would send us a new ESC controller, but then, you know, we refused. We emailed them back and said, you know, it's not even 2 weeks since we got the car and it's dead on arrival. So according to their policy, dead on arrival, which we have video and pictures to show them that. And you know, when we emailed them a couple of times with this policy, if they just didn't reply to us, and we follow up for about 3 weeks and we still haven't gotten any email back, like literally nothing. So Banggood failed on the customer service. The seller also never replied back, so no answer from Banggood, and we took matter in our hands and tried to solve this puzzle and see what's the problem, because I didn't want to pay $80 or $70 for an electronic speed controller. It's just too expensive. So stay tuned. In part 3 I'm gonna attempt to tear down this ESC controller, and hopefully we can see what is broken in it and troubleshoot the problem and try to fix it if we will be able to do so. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or advices, please comment down below. Thank you very much for watching.